Managing personal finances can feel like navigating a maze. While everyone wants to achieve financial stability and growth, certain mistakes can sabotage those goals. Identifying and addressing these errors is key to building wealth and living a stress-free financial life. In this video, we delve into the 10 most common financial mistakes and provide actionable solutions to fix them. Welcome to another video. Let's get started with the video 10 financial mistakes you are making and how to fix them. Not having a budget. A budget is the foundation of financial management. Without one, it becomes difficult to know where your money is going. This often leads to overspending on unnecessary items while neglecting savings and investments. A budget provides clarity, helping you prioritize your financial goals and avoid living paycheck to paycheck. By carefully tracking your income and expenses, you can identify wasteful spending habits and reallocate funds toward areas that matter most, such as saving for the future or paying down debt. Living beyond your means. Many people fall into the trap of living a lifestyle they can't afford. Whether it's overspending on luxury items, dining out frequently, or trying to keep up with others, living beyond your means creates financial stress. Over time, this habit can lead to mounting credit card debt and the inability to save for future needs. By focusing on living within your income and delaying gratification, you can avoid unnecessary financial strain. This doesn't mean giving up all indulgences, but rather finding a balance that allows you to enjoy life while staying financially secure. Not saving for emergencies. Life is unpredictable, and unexpected expenses can arise at any time. Without an emergency fund, even a minor financial setback like a car repair or medical bill can derail your budget. An emergency fund acts as a financial cushion, giving you peace of mind and protecting you from accumulating debt during tough times. Ideally, your emergency fund should cover 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. Start small by setting aside a portion of each paycheck and gradually build up your fund in a dedicated savings account that is easily accessible. Relying on credit cards. Credit cards are convenient, but can quickly become a financial trap if not used responsibly. Many people rely on credit cards to cover daily expenses, leading to high balances and interest charges. Over time, this creates a cycle of debt that becomes harder to escape. To break free from credit card dependency, focus on paying off balances in full each month and using credit only for planned purchases. Switching to cash or debit cards for everyday spending can also help you stay within your budget and avoid the temptation to overspend. Ignoring retirement savings. Retirement may seem far away, but failing to save early can have long-term consequences. The power of compounding means that even small contributions made early in your career can grow significantly over time. Ignoring retirement savings not only limits your future financial security but also puts unnecessary pressure on later years. To build a comfortable retirement, contribute regularly to accounts like a 401k or IRA. Take advantage of employer matching programs if available, and increase your contributions as income grows. Automating your savings ensures consistency and makes it easier to prioritize your future. Not investing. While saving is important, relying solely on a savings account won't help your money grow at a rate that outpaces inflation. Investing allows you to build wealth over time, but many people avoid it due to fear or lack of knowledge. The good news is that you don't need to be an expert to start investing. Begin with simple options like index funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, offer diversification and lower risk. As you become more comfortable, you can explore other investment opportunities. The key is to start early and remain consistent, even during market fluctuations. Failing to track debt. Debt can quickly spiral out of control if not carefully managed. Ignoring your debt or making only minimum payments prolongs repayment and increases the total amount paid due to interest. Tracking your debt gives you a clear picture of what you owe and helps you develop a repayment plan. Start by listing all your debts, including balances, interest rates, and minimum payments. Consider strategies like the snowball method, where you pay off the smallest debt first, or the avalanche method, which focuses on debts with the highest interest rates. Being proactive about debt repayment can significantly improve your financial health. Not setting financial goals. Without specific financial goals, it's easy to lose sight of what you're working toward. This can lead to aimless spending and missed opportunities to build wealth. Financial goals provide direction and motivation, helping you make intentional choices with your money. Whether you're saving for a home, planning a vacation, or preparing for retirement, clearly defined goals give you a roadmap to follow. Break your goals into short-term, medium-term, and long-term categories, and regularly review your progress to stay on track. Adjust your goals as needed to reflect changes in your circumstances or priorities. Overlooking insurance needs. Insurance is often viewed as an unnecessary expense, but it's a critical part of financial planning. Skipping insurance can leave you vulnerable to significant financial losses in the event of accidents, illness, or natural disasters. Assess your needs for health, life, and property insurance to ensure adequate coverage. Shop around for policies that offer good value and fit your budget, and periodically review your coverage to make sure it aligns with your current situation. Having the right insurance in place provides peace of mind and protects you from financial hardship. Procrastinating on financial education. A lack of financial knowledge is one of the biggest barriers to achieving financial success. Without understanding basic concepts like budgeting, investing, and debt management, it's easy to make mistakes that undermine your progress. Taking the time to educate yourself empowers you to make informed decisions and take control of your finances. Start by reading books, listening to podcasts, or enrolling in online courses on personal finance. Follow reputable financial experts and stay informed about economic trends and changes in financial laws. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to navigate your financial journey. Avoiding these financial mistakes requires awareness, discipline, and a willingness to change. By addressing these common pitfalls, you can take control of your finances and work toward a secure and prosperous future. Remember, financial success doesn't happen overnight, but small, consistent steps can lead to significant progress over time. Start today by evaluating your current habits and implementing the strategies outlined above. The path to financial freedom is within your reach. For more videos, like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching the video.